Hi, my name is Eric Glenzer. I'm Director of Software here at Socket Mobile. I'm going to show you in this video how easy it is to integrate the barcode scanning API into an iOS application. So in this video, I'm going to use a Socket Series 7 Bluetooth scanner, the latest version of Scan API SDK, Xcode version 4.2, and we can start right away by creating a new project in Xcode. So I choose Utility Application, click Next, and give a name, Single Entry, and I choose the storyboard, the automatic reference counting, and then I click Next. I create the folder on my hard disk, and now I have the application. Here, I go to the SDK, and I drag and drop the Scan API folder into my Xcode project. I select the destination, I check the copy items into the destination folder, and click Finish. Since the Bluetooth scanner is seen as an external accessory, I'm adding the external accessory into my project. And I do this by clicking on the plus, typing the search external accessory. I select the framework and do add. And we are using also a protocol string. So in the information of my application, I'm adding a new string that is called supported external accessory protocol. And in there, we specify the protocol string that the scanner accepts. That protocol string is com.socketmobile.chs. Now I'm going to do a bit of a UI. On the main view, I'm going to make it lighter so we can see. I'm adding two UI elements, which is a label for the status and a text entry for receiving the decoded data from the scanner. Make them bigger. There we go. Text entry also. And the label, I'm going to specify a text that we are waiting for the scanner to connect. I'm going now to wire those entries into my main view controller. I do that using the assistant editor. I give the status label status as a name. I do the same operation for the entry box, which is called entry. Now I'm done with the UI. I'm going to add a Scan API into my main view controller. So the Scan API has a component called Scan API Helper that will help me to integrate Scan API into my application. And I do an import of that component, which is Scan API Helper.h. That's the only import I need to do for the application. I'm going to add two properties for integrating Scan API Helper into my application. I have a snippet for them. So here is the first one is the Scan API Helper itself, and a timer to consume the asynchronous event from Scan API Helper. My main view controller will need to have a protocol to receive the asynchronous event from Scan API Helper, which is called Scan API Helper Delegate. And at this point, I'm done with the header file of my main view controller. I can move now to the implementation of the main view controller. In here, I need to add those two properties synthesized that we just had. So going to synthesize the scan API and its consumer, which is a timer. There we go. And on the application view did load, I'm going to add the initialization of scan API helper. So again, it's a snippet. So here what happened is we create a scan API helper object. We specify that this main view controller receives the delegate. So that's what we do here in the set delegate method. And then we call open method of scan API helper that will initialize the scan API. And then we start the timer to consume the synchronous event coming from scan API. I'm going to add the on timer logic here, and what it does here is just do a call to scan API helper do scan API receive method, and that will do most of the job to receive the synchronous event from the scanner. Now the last piece that is remaining is the protocol. So I'm going to implement the protocol here, the scan API helper protocol. And in that protocol, we have few callbacks that are very interesting. The first one is the device arrival. That callback will be called each time a scanner connects to the iOS device. It's also a good place to update the UI. You receive another callback for when the scanner disconnects. Again, we can update the UI at that point. Another one that is very useful is the undecoded data callback. So each time the scanner successfully decodes a barcode scanner, it will call that function. So here you can update your UI. In our current application, we just update either the status when the scanner connects or disconnects, and the entry, the text field, when we receive the decoded data from the scanner. And at this point, we are done. We can compile and run the application. That's what I'm doing right now. As you can see, the scanner is connected. The status is indicated here on the helper line. And now I'm going to scan few items, and the decoded data should appear in the text field below the status. So it goes. That's a 2D barcode, and some other 2D or 1D barcodes. So as you can see, it is very easy to integrate our Bluetooth scanner into an iOS application. If you have any question, you are welcome to check our website, www.socketmobile.com, and thank you for watching.